Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Renita. Let's make something special on this Independence Day and make Tricolor Pops. Before we begin, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this super simple recipe. All you need for this recipe are some oranges, marshmallow, and some cucumber slices. Beautifully poke all these three ingredients into a toothpick and your Tricolor Pops are ready to serve. Follow the same method to make more of them. I hope you found this simple recipe interesting. If you tried this recipe or any other recipes from my playlist, don't forget to share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Check them out. Hoping for perpetual peace and prosperity in my country, wishing all my fellow Indians a very happy Independence Day. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.